Hello. Today I'm going to show you how I created this thank you sign that I added to a gift basket that I created for my neighbor. The supplies and materials used in this project include Cricut Maker, cardstock, heat transfer vinyl, Cricut weeding tool, and Fancier Studio heat press. I'm starting out by typing out the words thank you, and I'm using Della Gothic 1, which I think is either a system font or it's one of the free Cricut fonts. In order to make the font manageable, that I can warp it as I need to make it into an image. So we're going to select combine and then weld. From here, I can stretch out the words the way I'm envisioning it to look. And then I'm going to create an offset. I usually do 0.25, depends on what I'm working with. We're going to change that color to white just to make it a little easier to see. And that's the color I'm going to use anyway for the cardstock. Then I want to type out the name of the gift basket recipient, which is Layla. And currently I'm looking for more of like a fancier, like a cursive font. And the nice thing about the Cricut fonts is that you can filter. I'm looking for one of the free fonts. And then these are kind of like descriptions of the fonts. So you've like delicate, decorative. You can take a look and see what descriptions they have. So I did find one here. I want to see how that looks. So I'm going to move my word over here and change the other letters of her name to lowercase. Then we're going to look through a few more fonts. I'm actually going to go to my system fonts. In my system fonts here, there's no description, but you can see, just like the other screen, an example of what each one would look like with the word of your choosing. I found one here, brush script. I think it says M7, MT. Brush script MT is the one I'm going for. We're going to change color of that. We're going to change the thank you to the red I'm using and then change her name to black. I'm going to weld her name so that each letter doesn't cut out individually and it all cuts out connected minus the L. And then we're just going to resize until we find the perfect fit. Now, before I hit make, I did resize it as I needed it for the basket. Here's our finished product. Thank you and Layla are what I use the HTV for. The white background was cut out with cardstock, and then I just used my heat press to apply the red and then the black on top of that. I just taped it to the little purple basket, which is from the Dollar Tree. And inside of that, you'll find a couple different snacks. If you're from Pennsylvania, these are very familiar to you. Our neighbor watched our dogs for us while we were away, and we just wanted to give her a little bit of a thank you for coming after school to let them out to potty in between the other sitters coming. So thank you, Layla, for watching our pups, and thank you for watching my video. As always, thank you for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to hit that button on your screen and subscribe. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram. I do still have an Etsy shop, although I don't think anything's up there right now, TikTok, and Pinterest. Have a great day.